Okay, here's a quick and dirty video. I've been playing around with the fuel curve to try and get the bog out of this, or going to the track tomorrow afternoon. So let's just see what it does. Change has been responding, so far it's pretty good. Like it. That's what a badass Studebaker engine should sound like. Fuel curve, and it's set to warm up till it gets to a certain temperature, and then the RPM drops. So right now it's kind of running like the choke is on till it warms up a little bit, and then it slows down to about 800 RPM, and it'll sit there and run like that for a long time. It just the air-fuel ratio is perfect on it. I just need to work on the setting to get the bog out of it. She's pretty good. All right, this is starting to get boring. I'm gonna shut it off, so have a good one. See you later. Bye. Thanks.